Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rupali. तो आपको पता होगा that currently I am living in my hometown in Jaipur. So the weather here is very humid right now. I mean it has started raining here and अभी भी बारिश हो रही है. But still the weather is kind of humid जिसकी वजह से whenever I go out for shopping or any appointment, my hair gets dirty and it gets sticky. My hair is very dry right now and it's in very bad condition right now. If you guys can see मेरे अभी dead ends भी दिख रहे हैं and काफ़ी ज़्यादा dryness दिख रही है बालों की. Wait, let me show you. So this is how the texture of my hair looks. So recently I heard of this concept of customization when I get to know more about how I can choose and have control over my hair care products. So while going through different brands, I come across this brand called Freewill, and if you guys have not heard about this brand, then let me tell you, it's a very popular brand which makes hair care products. So ये इस तरीके से हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स को डिजाइन करते हैं कि आपकी प्रेफरेंस हो या आपकी हेयर टाइप हो, आपकी चॉइसेस को ध्यान में रखकर ही आपके लिए एक फॉर्मूला क्रिएट करते हैं which will suit your hair type. So if you are someone who is looking for customized hair care products, then this video is going to be very helpful for you because I thought of documenting this whole hair care journey and sharing it with you guys so that अगर मुझे कोई results देखने को मिले, then you guys can also get benefit of all these hair care products. Okay, so first I will show you how I ordered all these hair care products and what all steps you guys need to follow to choose the right product for your hair. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first you need to click on the website of Freewill, which will lead you to this page. Then after you have to click on start online hair assessment. Then you need to fill up this quiz. So I will tell you what they ask. So basically they will ask you about your hair texture, the length of your hair, the thickness of your hair, the volume of your hair, and whether your scalp is itchy or not, and whether you have dandruff problem or not, और combing के टाइम पे आपका hair fall होता है कि नहीं. You also need to mention if you have colored your hair in last 3 months या कोई भी तरीके का chemical treatment कराया होगा अपने hair पे. And then you need to mention the appliances that you use to style your hair. Then you need to fill up how is the water hardness in your area and how much time do you spend in sunlight. Then I'm mentioning my hair goals, so इसको आप अपने according fill up कर सकते हो अपनी preference के according. After that you need to choose the color that you want for your bottle, so I'm choosing the pink color. Then I'm filling up my name which will be printed on bottle. In the end you will see this type of hair analysis where they will explain you everything about your hair. They will also mention the ingredients that they will be using for making your hair care products. So I'm choosing the personalized kit now, and you can see यहाँ पे single kit का option and combo kit का. So I'm choosing the single kit and adding it to my cart. Last में you need to fill up your contact information and that's it. So once you place your order, you will get a confirmation email that your order has been placed. Also guys, you can track your order कि आपके products कब तक आ जाएंगे. So I will just wait for my products to come and then I will show you my hair care products. So finally my package has arrived and I must say the delivery was quick because I received my package I guess in 3 to 4 days, which I think is pretty fast. One more thing guys, I know nowadays due to corona we need to be extra careful while ordering online stuff, but here you do not have to worry about that because Freewill makes sure that you receive sanitized products while sitting at home with no contact delivery. So here guys you can see how appropriately the packaging is done. I mean you don't need to worry if your products will get damaged or not. So the single kit which I ordered, it consists of 3 hair care products. So one is this shampoo जो कि pump के साथ आया है. It is very easy to use, and the other one is a conditioner and it also comes with a hair serum. So did you guys notice there's my name labeled on the shampoo and the conditioner? As it is all customized, तो आप अपने according अपना name हो या अपना pet name वो उस पे display करवा सकते हो bottles पे, and I think it looks so aesthetic. Hi guys, so I received my package yesterday and it is day 1 today. I have just worked out and मेरे बाल भी अच्छी कंडीशन में नहीं हो रहे हैं, so मैंने बन बनाया हुआ है. Also guys, ये बता दूँ कि मैंने ऑयल भी अप्लाई किया है to see how well the shampoo is going to clean my hair. So this is the very first time, आज पहला दिन है जब मैं ये हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. So yeah, I will see you guys later once I'll take shower. Till then, bye. Hi guys, so I just took shower. I am waiting for my hair to get dry पहले so that I can show you कि मेरे बाल कैसे लग रहे हैं. I will tell you जो मैंने shampoo use किया है, it smells so good. I mean I love the fragrance of the shampoo and the conditioner is even better than the shampoo. I think it smells better than shampoo. So guys, I'm a little shocked बिकॉज ये जो शैम्पू है इससे जब मैंने यूज़ किया तो मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ जैसे कि मेरे बाल जब कंडीशनर के बाद नहीं होते सॉफ्ट एंड सिल्की, वैसे मेरे बाल शैम्पू को यूज़ करने के बाद ही हो गए. क्योंकि अभी तक मैंने जो भी शैम्पू यूज़ किए उनके केस में ऐसा नहीं था. सो नाउ आई एम गोना ट्राई दिस फ्रीविल हेयर सीरम. इसमें विटामिन ई एंड आर्गन ऑयल है, एंड यू गाइस नो विटामिन ई इज़ सो गुड फॉर हेयर ग्रोथ. Alright, so I'm gonna take 2-3 drops of this hair serum and I will just dab my hair like this. Alright, so I will see you guys after 1 week of using these hair care products. So bye. Hi guys, so it's been almost 1 week now and this is exactly how my hair is looking right now. So if you guys have noticed, मेरे बालों की जो वॉल्यूम है वो पहले से थोड़ी इंक्रीज हो गई है. मेरे बालों का ब्रेकेज पहले से काफ़ी कम हो गया है, which is rare because I was dealing with hair fall since a very long time. Okay, so I'm also measuring the length of my hair to see कि मेरे बाल कितने grow हुए हैं. So I will keep you guys updated about that also. Hi guys, so it's been almost 2 weeks now since I have been using these hair care products. So one by one I will tell you guys कि कैसे मेरे बालों की जो पहले कंडीशन थी उसको इन hair care products ने चेंज कर दिया है. So firstly I was dealing with hair fall जैसा कि मैंने बताया. तो पहले वीक में रिडक्शन हुआ था hair fall में, but now you guys can see, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So अगर अब मैं अपने बालों के से हाथ ले जा रही हूँ, so you guys can see एक भी स्ट्रैंड हाथ में नहीं आया, and that's shocking. So like I said, मैं अपने बालों को मेजर कर रही थी on a daily basis. So I was taking pictures of my hair regularly to see the difference कि अगर फर्स्ट वीक में मेरे बाल ऐसे थे तो बाद में कैसे लगे देखने के लिए. So if you guys have seen my thumbnail, तो आपने अभी देख लिया होगा कि मेरे बालों में क्या चेंज आया है. It's very noticeable I guess, क्योंकि पहले मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं था कि कोई भी अगर आप हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हो तो इतनी जल्दी ग्रोथ बालों की देखने को नहीं मिलती. सो इट्स वेरी शॉकिंग फॉर मी टू सी द डिफरेंस इन माई हेयर कि मेरे बाल इतनी जल्दी ग्रो हो रहे हैं. सो कमिंग टू द वॉल्यूम एंड टेक्सचर ऑफ माई हेयर, तो मेरे जो बालों की वॉल्यूम है वो पहले से थोड़ी इंक्रीज हो गई है. एंड नाउ अब मैं बन बनाती हूँ या फिर कोई ब्रेड बनाती हूँ या पोनी टेल बनाती हूँ तो मेरे बाल काफ़ी हैवी लगते हैं. मेरे बाल पहले से ज़्यादा, पहले आपने नोटिस किया होगा मेरे बाल काफ़ी वेवी थे और काफ़ी फ्रीजी से थे, तो फ्रीजीनेस काफ़ी कम हो गई है. सो आई थिंक द फॉर्मूला विच इज़ यूज्ड इन मेकिंग दीज हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर माई हेयर टाइप इज वेल फॉर्मुलेटेड. So that is why these hair care products are working for my hair so quickly. So basically the ingredients that they have used in making these hair care products, वो मेरे hair problems को ध्यान में रखकर ही डिज़ाइन किए गए ingredients वही यूज़ किए गए जो मेरे hair problems को solve कर सके. Free will, like the name of this brand suggests, it gives you free will to choose what is best for you and your hair. So I would say totally go for customized products. और let's coming to the price of these hair care products. So ये मुझे पड़ा था 1650 में. So ये तीनों products को मिला के इतना आपका टोटल होगा. अगर it's a bit expensive for you, then you do not have to worry because I have a special coupon code for you guys. So I will mention the coupon code in my description box below, so you guys can check that out. I have also mentioned a link in my description box from where you guys can order these hair care products. With that being said, I think I will end this video here. I will see you guys next week. Till then, bye.